ago, ago.
Used to refer to a time in the past.
He left the house over an hour ago. We left London 10 years ago. About 5 months ago, I got a letter from him. Outside, outside.
Not in a particular room or building but near it.
I'll wait outside while you get changed. She knocked on his bedroom door and left the tray outside.
Not in a particular room, building, or place, but near it.
She waited outside his room for nearly 2 hours. He lives just outside Birmingham.
Again. Again.
Again. Again.
As before.
Get some rest and you'll soon be well again. Or.
Used after a negative verb to mean not one thing and also not another.
Tim doesn't eat meat or fish. She doesn't have a telephone or a computer.
Used to express the possibility that something might not happen.
Are you going to reply or not? I still don't know whether she's coming or not.
Telephone. Telephone.
Phone.
A piece of electronic equipment that you use to talk to someone who is in another place, or the communication system that allows you to do this.
There was a telephone on the desk. They communicated by telephone.
To communicate with someone by telephone.
Telephone me if you're going to be late.
Trainer. Trainer.
Trainer. Trainer. Trainer. Training. Trainee. Train.
A type of light comfortable shoe that is suitable for playing sport.
A pair of trainers. If you haven't got walking boots, you can just wear trainers. Climbing. 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 Climb.
The sport of climbing mountains, hills, or rocks.
Rock or mountain climbing. We're going climbing in Scotland next weekend.
Kilogram. Kilogram.
A unit of mass equal to 1,000 grams, or 2.2 pounds.
Their baby was born prematurely and weighed only 1 kilogram. I bought 3 kilograms of plums.
Sign. Sign.
Sign. Sign.
A symbol or message in a public place which gives information or instructions.
A road sign. A shop sign. Cola. Cola.
A sweet, dark brown drink with a lot of bubbles.
We drank cola with our meal.
Folder. Folder.
Folder. Fold.
A piece of plastic or thick paper folded down the middle and used to hold loose papers.
I keep all my bank statements in this folder.
Program. Program.
Program. Program.
A show on television or radio.
Did you see that program about spiders last night? It's my favorite TV program. I never miss an episode.
Artist. Artist.
Art, artist, artistic.
Someone who paints, draws, or makes sculptures.
Monet is one of my favorite artists. Well-known. Well-known.
Famous.
A well-known actor or artist or film star or singer. A well-known face or voice.
Fried. Fried.
Fry, fried.
Cooked in hot oil or fat.
A fried egg.